Hello, Helene Shephard, 7 Marian Street, Booval. We are offering you not one, but 2 units. One is this gorgeous little high set, and number 2 is a low set unit. Imagine living in this one, and imagine your mum and dad or your other family members living in the low set one. You have some options. Invest or net, your choice. I welcome your call to change the way your family is looked after or your future is taken care of. Helene Shephard, First National.